This is our latest project we just finished up in Middleburg, Florida. It's a 1984 double-wide mobile home on an acre that we acquired about the middle of 2022. It was still a strong seller's market. By the time we finished the rehab and put it on the market, it had shifted to a normal market, and we saw that prices were dropping. But we tested every system in this house, the roof, the plumbing, the AC, the electrical, the foundation, everything needed to be replaced. We gutted the entire house that had several years worth of just stuff that had accumulated. We gutted the kitchen, of course, and put in new cabinets, new lighting, new textures throughout. We gutted each of the bathrooms down to the studs, and we had a plumber come in and replumb everything from top to bottom. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,500 square foot mobile home. The buyers were delightful. The buyer's agent was fantastic. There's the ductwork that went in. We framed it in and added some drywall, and it really came out nice. It's got a pretty big open floor plan. There's the mud room with the laundry, and we added a door there to give the living room a little more privacy and cut down on the noise. That front open porch was a big selling feature. Once we cleaned it out and resurfaced the decking and everything, it came out nice. We had an extra carport that you couldn't see the house. We took that out and gave it some pretty nice curb appeal. That's 5135 Boardwalk.